Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to redirect the domain to another domain in Hostinger. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to the hostinger.com, and then of course you have to log in to your account. Okay, so now that you have logged in, you'd be able to see this page right here. So you just have to click on the domains. Okay, this one. So now just select the domain. Okay, so I want this one right here, and then all you have to do is to click on the manage option. Okay, now when you scroll down, you'd be able to see this one, the forward your domain to an existing website, and then click on forward domain, and then you'd be able to see this page right here. So in this box, you'd be able to write here the link or the name of the website. So right here, let's go to my YouTube, and here I'm then just going to copy the link and go back to my Hostinger domain. Okay, so let's go back here, and then you just have to paste it right here, and then after that you just have to click on create. And that's it. We have successfully redirected the domain to another domain in Hostinger. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.